Can you move a car without a battery? Moving a car without a battery is a common concern for many vehicle owners, particularly in situations where the battery is dead, missing, or has failed. While the battery plays a crucial role in starting the engine and powering the electrical systems, there are scenarios where moving a car without a functional battery is possible. How to move your car without battery? A car battery serves several essential functions. 1. The battery provides the necessary electrical power to the starter motor, which then turns the engine over to start it. 2. It powers the car's electrical components, including the lights, radio, and dashboard indicators, when the engine is off. 3. The battery helps to stabilize the voltage, preventing spikes that could damage the vehicle's electrical system. Given these critical roles, a car without a battery cannot start its engine using conventional means. However, there are ways to move the vehicle without relying on the battery. Methods to move a car without a battery. 1. Push start. For cars with a manual transmission, a push start, also known as bump starting, is a viable method to move the vehicle without a battery. Here's how to do it. Ensure the car is on a flat surface or facing downhill. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Depress the clutch pedal and shift the car into second gear. Have someone push the car or let it roll downhill. Once the car gains some momentum, release the clutch pedal quickly while giving the car some throttle. If done correctly, the engine should start, allowing you to drive the car without the battery. This method relies on the mechanical connection between the wheels and the engine to turn the engine over and start it. 2. Towing. Another method to move a car without a battery is by towing it. This approach is suitable for both manual and automatic transmissions. Here's how to safely tow a vehicle. Step 1. Attach a tow rope or tow bar to a sturdy point on the front of the vehicle. Step 2. Secure the other end of the tow rope or tow bar to the towing vehicle. Step 3. Ensure the car is in neutral for both manual and automatic transmissions. Step 4. Slowly and steadily tow the car to the desired location. 3. Using a dolly or trailer. For longer distances or to avoid potential damage to the car's transmission, using a car dolly or trailer is recommended. A car dolly lifts the front wheels of the vehicle off the ground, while a trailer can carry the entire vehicle. This method eliminates the need for the car's battery or electrical systems altogether. Precautions. Always prioritize safety when attempting to move a car without a battery. Ensure the car is secure and that all participants are aware of their roles and responsibilities. Be mindful of the vehicle's transmission type. Push starting is only possible with manual transmissions, while towing can be done with both types but requires extra caution with automatics to prevent transmission damage. Adhere to local laws and regulations regarding towing and vehicle movement to avoid legal issue. Conclusion. While a car battery is essential for starting the engine and powering electrical systems, it is possible to move a car without a battery using methods such as push starting, towing, or using a car dolly or trailer.